Learn how to install a linear shower drain step by step with this practical and professional guide. In this video, you'll see the installation process and the techniques used to achieve proper water drainage and a clean, modern bathroom finish. A correctly installed linear drain helps improve both the functionality and appearance of your shower area. If you enjoy our construction, tiling, and home improvement videos, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Your support helps us continue creating useful tutorials and improve the quality of our content. Thank you for watching and being part of our community.